Let's demonstrate the application of Biroad M2000 and M3000 non-slip coatings. Biroad M2000 is mainly used for pedestrian walkways, bicycle lanes, and small-scale parking lots. For heavy traffic road surfaces, parking ramps, or stairs where strong slip resistance is required, use Biroad M3000. In this video, we will demonstrate the proper application method for both products in various situations. You can see that the concrete condition of this uncoated parking area and these stairs is currently quite poor. For any floor repairs, including waterproofing, proper pre-application preparation is absolutely essential. Since this is a parking area, it is recommended to create groove cuts first to prevent slipping on the ramp. However, please note that this specific process is not mandatory. This is because Biroad M2000 provides sufficient non-slip performance even at this slope angle. However, since the parking entrance sees the most tire contact and wear, we are showing this pre-treatment example to maintain usability until reapplication, even if the coating eventually peels. For older concrete steps, any delaminated or loose areas where the bond has broken must be completely removed using a chisel. Applying coating over this condition can trap air in voids, which may expand in hot weather and lead to failure or damage of the finished surface. Any cracks, spalled areas, or deep pits should be mechanically ground or chipped clean using a grinder or chipping tool. In these cases, concrete should be repaired with dedicated repair mortar, while asphalt requires asphalt-specific repair materials. Insufficient cleaning is often the primary cause of application failures for floor coatings and similar materials. Thorough preparation is essential to avoid the need for costly rework and having to peel off the coating later. Use a blower to remove all dust completely so the primer can achieve its maximum intended adhesion. Once the surface is completely free of dust and debris, it is ready for the primer application. Before applying Biroad, we will use Superdeck 100 as the primer coat. Superdeck 100 is a flexible urethane resin that offers superior penetration into the substrate. It provides excellent adhesion to subsequent coatings, making it ideal for forming a strong and durable film. For deep or hard-to-reach areas where rollers cannot reach, as well as areas requiring detailed application, apply first using a brush. Then, using a water and solvent-compatible roller, load it generously with Superdeck 100 and apply thoroughly to the substrate. Any missed spots should be carefully touched up with a brush to ensure full and even coverage. Avoid application on rainy days or when humidity is high, over 85%, as the product may not perform properly. The substrate temperature should be between 5 and 40 degrees Celsius, and 1 to 2 coats are sufficient. After 3 to 4 hours, you should be able to confirm that the surface is fully dry. If the next coating is applied before the primer is fully dry, the entire system may peel off together. Biroad contains aggregates of different sizes for various uses. Since the aggregate content is relatively high, open the lid and mix thoroughly for about 1 minute first. Biroad is a fast application coating for exterior floors, so curing starts immediately after adding the initiator. Likewise, mix for an additional 1 minute. Recommended working time is about 15 minutes, so the application must be carried out very quickly. For large areas like this, single-person application is not recommended. At least 3 workers are required. Follow the sequence: mixing, squeegee spreading, then roller coating for fast application. Pour the mixed Biroad M2000 with initiator onto the floor in long strips, then roughly spread using a squeegee. Even with a light scrape across the floor, sufficient film thickness is achieved. Then, immediately use a roller to push and spread the surface. Self-leveling is easier than expected. Since application should be performed below 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, work should be completed in the morning during summer. Use a squeegee to push the coating into corners and edges. Follow immediately with a roller to smooth out the surface. Even large areas of around 60 pyong can be completed within half a day. Concerns about height differences between sections are not really necessary at all. If you lightly roll out the final edge, the next batch bonds seamlessly, making the height difference at the joint almost impossible to notice by eye. Just avoid mixing everything at once. One more important point: be sure to remove the masking tape before the coating fully cures. Once fully cured, tape removal becomes very difficult. The Biroad M3000 used for stair applications, compared to the M2000 applied on parking floor areas, contains a coarser aggregate, providing enhanced slip resistance. Therefore, it is also suitable for stairs exposed to rain and snow, making it an excellent choice. The method of adding the premix and hardener is the same as for M2000. In narrow areas like this, 2 workers are required, and the mixed Biroad M3000 is poured evenly and spread wide using a squeegee. Use a roller immediately after application. Level out trowel marks and any built-up areas. This creates a surface texture optimized for slip resistance. If you focus on detailed edges first, residual paint left in the container, the material may begin to set and harden. First, concentrate on spreading the material over large open areas. Since curing starts in about 15 minutes, before full cure, use a brush and a small roller to complete detail finishing. When applying Biroad M2000 and M3000, we recommend wearing long sleeves and long pants. If the material contacts your skin, wash it off immediately with soap and water, and no issues will occur. Although the application requires proper skill, you will immediately notice its outstanding anti-slip performance. Once wall repairs and parking line markings are completed, the application is complete. Now, even when it rains or snow accumulates on stairs or parking entrances, slipping hazards are significantly reduced, providing a safe and comfortable walking surface. As this product is specifically designed for slip resistance, the finished surface looks extremely reliable, doesn't it? With its short drying time, 1 hour after application, you will be able to step on it. For slippery parking areas or stairs exposed to rain or snow, with Biroad M2000 and M3000, you'll see highly satisfying results.